As you can see here, I made two different lengths of socks. One I just put a fur band around it, and one is just a bobby sock. Let me show you how I did it. So I took some faux fur and some jersey knit ribbed, really soft material. It is so comfortable. And I cut 4 pieces in the shape of what you will make a sock out of. That's the longer piece that goes up my leg, the length of the sock. This is the length of my foot, the bottom piece. And this is the piece that goes over the top of your foot. Then I have another piece that will match the length of the first piece. What I did was add a little elastic to make it stretch a little bit. But with this rib material, you really don't need elastic. You put the elastic down first and then put the faux fur over it. Pin it so it stays in place. And you want to sew the fur or any embellishments first before you sew your pieces together. Before you sew, you want to secure the edges like this. Now the sock pieces are sewn, and I'm going to show you how they look. As you can see, one is longer than the other. The one with the faux fur around it, I use 4 pieces. But if you want to make it simple, like the one on my right foot, the bobby sock, all you have to do is use 2 pieces. And I'll show you that video soon. Enjoy.